Well, torsion field is something that can connect you to any information in the entire God, into entire creation structure, right? So it means that it's not just the unity consciousness, but it's a part of unity consciousness. And there are certain aspects of the unity consciousness, but as the torsion field is the basement, informational basement of the universe. So that's why it is having access to any level. Yeah, you can say that at some point torsion field is the unity consciousness, but it would not be the precise description. It is a part of it. And when you tap into the torsion field with the intention of getting the information of some other worlds, some other dimensions, of some other intelligences um, of the creation structure, then you can realize that it is all possible. You just need a certain key, and this key can be a thought or a sound or a combination of it. And CosmoEnergy is giving those the images and signs and also the sound codes to be able to connect to the certain hierarchy of the unity consciousness. As unity consciousness, this is a consciousness of the entire system of creation, which is infinite.